Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really practical accessory that many might find incredibly useful, especially if they're working with specific digital equipment. We're talking about the J-ZMQER 6ft USB cable, a data PC cord specifically designed to be compatible with devices like the Elmo TT-02s document camera, and it's also perfect for general video conferencing and digital image transfer needs. One of the immediate benefits of this cable is its generous 6-foot length. This isn't just a minor detail. It provides a significant amount of flexibility, allowing users to connect their Elmo TT-02s document camera to a PC without being tethered too closely. Imagine setting up a video conference or presenting digital images. That extra reach can make all the difference in positioning equipment optimally and maintaining a clean, organized workspace. It ensures that the document camera can be placed exactly where it's needed for the best angle and clarity, without having to rearrange an entire desk setup. Beyond just the length, the J-ZMQER cable emphasizes reliability and safety. While the technical specifications might mention input voltages typically associated with power adapters, the core message here is about a product built to high standards. The manufacturer highlights international quality certifications and adherence to top industry standards. This translates into peace of mind for the user, knowing that the cable incorporates numerous safety mechanisms. These include protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. For anyone transferring important data or relying on their equipment for live presentations, this level of built-in protection is invaluable. It helps safeguard not only the cable itself, but also the connected devices, like that valuable Elmo TT-02s camera or the PC it's linked to. The J-ZMQER brand aims to provide convenience and ensure high-speed data transfer, which is crucial for smooth video conferencing and quick digital image uploads. It's a product designed to integrate seamlessly into a user's daily workflow, making connections effortless and reliable. Of course, as with any specialized accessory, it's always important for the user to double-check compatibility to ensure they're choosing the right device for their specific needs before making a purchase. But for those with an Elmo TT-02s or similar requirements for robust PC connectivity, this 6ft USB cable from J-ZMQER presents itself as a very strong contender, promising both functionality and dependable performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.